Ayurveda, ancient yet timeless, gives you the means of attaining and maintaining your own optimal health and well-being. The benefits of Ayurvedic medicine have been proven over centuries of use, and its methodologies are as applicable today in the West as they were thousands of years ago in India. Ayurveda is the traditional healing modality of the Vedic culture from India. It is said to be 2,000 to 5,000 years old, meaning it has stood the test of time. Ayurveda is a Sanskrit word that literally translates as the wisdom of life, science of life, or the knowledge of longevity. Ayurveda understood the physiology of workings of the mind, body, spirit long before the advent of modern medicine. Ayurveda's fundamental approach to well-being is that you must reach and maintain your unique state of balance in your whole being, body, mind, and spirit. In this 2.5-hour workshop, broken down into several videos, you will discover what is Ayurveda, what are the doshas, cause of disease, how to maintain balance, and you will be provided with a test that will determine your original blueprint, which we call Prakriti, and your current status, which we call Vikriti, and what to do with this information. You will discover how food is used as medicine and how to incorporate Ayurveda with current modern medicine for optimal health and healing. If you are a Yoga Alliance registered yoga instructor, then this workshop qualifies you for 2.5-hour non-contact CEUs with Yoga Alliance. So what are you waiting for? Are you ready to learn how Ayurveda can improve your life and the lives of the ones you love? If so, click the button below to get started on this wonderful journey. I can't wait to share Ayurveda with you. I will see you on the inside. Namaste.